Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and tap on security. Now click on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. I want to set up patterns, I have to click on it, enter my pattern and choose next at the bottom right corner. Now repeat it and click confirm. Over here, pick one of those options for your notifications on lock screen. Show all notifications content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications and tap done at the bottom right corner. Now when I click home button, turn off my screen, then turn it back on. Against that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!